Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. In this video, I'm going to tell you why this quote is so true and why the difference between success and failure is very, very small. But first, you have to remember that success and failure are only perceptions. So you could perceive that you failed at something, but that actually might lead you to succeed at something else. And even when you succeed at something, that is only your perception, and none of it is even reality.
Perception of the truth being more valuable than what the underlying truth is itself. But what everyone else says is the truth. How you see it is more powerful.
But rather than going into esoteric stuff like this about reality, the general message of this video is just to tell you and show you how you are only one book or one niche away from success. So if I go on here now, you're going to see my royalties for the month so far of December. If you saw my previous video, you will know that one of my advertising accounts is not turned on and it hasn't been for the whole month. So this is basically only from US ads, and all the UK is organic, which is actually most of the sales. So it's nice to know that even without the ads, the sales are still coming in. Current royalties so far for the month of December are $8,646, which I'm really happy with, considering last December I only got like 5,500 or 5,700 in total. So to have already beaten that by a long way, almost 50% more, it's really awesome that we still got another 13, 14, 15, even 16 days maybe left in the month. So the main thing that I want you to see here is just the colors of the graph. So you can see that mostly it's all this one shade of blue, which means it's basically one book doing most of the work. And we see the exact same story if I go onto here. So this purple one here and this green one, they're both in the same niche. So this is, in a way, they're really basically a very similar book. So these two books combined are almost 3/4 of this total figure here, this 8,600. So if you imagine that I didn't have those books, the current royalties would only be like 2,000 and something. So the projected royalty for the whole month might only be $4,000. So what I'm basically trying to say in this video is that let's say this month I get like $16,000 in royalties. To me, that would be perceived as a success, right? But if I didn't have those one or two books, I might only get something like $4,000 in royalties. To me, that will be perceived as a failure. So this is kind of just a message from me to you to let you know that if things aren't going well or it's not going quite the way you wanted on KDP, just know that if you keep pushing and you keep trying, you're going to get that one book or that one niche that's going to propel you towards success.
Second by second, you lose the opportunity to become the person you want to be. Or you can stop making excuses and take charge of your fucking life. Normality is what weak people call living. I call it death. Self-generator success. Fuck the handbook someone else wrote. It's your life, your book. We got 4 champions here trying to make a difference in their life, trying to drive the destiny of what they want to be. 4 people, I'm going to be 5th. You're going to be 6th? Let's go. Let's get this thing on. Boom! Birth of a new you.
So I know this is only a short video and I know I might be rambling and I got a bit of a cough, but yeah, we got to persevere and we got to keep putting out these daily uploads. So like I say, you're only one book or one niche away from success, and the difference between success and failure is very small. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time you tune in, hopefully tomorrow.
They wanna count me out before I'm even up.